Today, in a new TouchDesigner tutorial, we're going to create a displaced noise. So for a start, first we're going to set up the frame rate will be 30 frames by seconds. And then we need to a constant for set up the resolution and the size. Resolution, the final resolution and the resolution for the main image. So I can show you first. First will be X res Y, and then will be the row. I'm going to explain everything. The resolution, I don't know, this will be okay, 1270 and then 720. The rows will be 64. So the first thing is we need a noise, and the noise we need a specific resolution. It's better use low resolution. In this case, I'm going to use a square image. But if I go in and zoom in, you can see this image is blurry. So we need to see each pixel, so nearest pixel. So yeah, it's much better this one. After that is we need to change the resolution, but the idea is move or displace this image in an horizontal way. So for that is we need to use a displace. But first we need to change the fit. For the final resolution will be, and I can see it's 1280. That is okay. And the feed we need to again set up the nearest pixel, and we can feed will be outside. Don't worry, the feed is going to scale your image, but that is okay. We can fix then the quality of the after. So as I told you before, we need to displace this image. But how we can do that is we need another noise. But the noise will be just this one. Will be an X, or width resolution is 1, and the height will be this one. So the idea is have just one line. And again, we need the nearest pixel. After that, again, we need to do the same, create a feed. But again, we just need 1 pixel, but we need to scale that. Nearest pixel, and we can put in vertical. So we can have each pixel. So we connect to this place. So first we destroy everything. So don't worry, we need to fix or change a few things. For that, we need to go to here, command, nearest pixel, again, nearest pixel. And what we want to do, just displace this image just in horizontal and vertical now, so it will be none. And after that, we need to just set up the sort point to 0, and the extent will be repeat. So if I go to display weight and I move this, you can see I move the image. So the cool thing, we can put ABS time, that seconds, multiply that 0 by 2. So yeah, I'm going to zoom. So we can see the image all of the pixels are moving in horizontal way. We can change the noise, this one. So you can see it's more crazy, or just in groups. So you can see this one is not moving, but if I put this, everything is moving. So after that, what we need to do? I'm going to put here a null so we can see what's going on. I'm going to change the name to auto1. So, and press C for color. So we have our displays, and we need to do a better image of this because right now they are just pixels. So for that, we have, for example, 3 holes. So we can move this how much we want to be affected. So softened, we can create this like, yeah, soft detection. But what we need to do first is we need to create a feed. And for the feed, we want to create horizontal, but we need to, this resolution will be X and Y. Okay. And obviously we need to set up the nearest pixel. Let me check that everything is okay. Let me check. Horizontal. Sorry, no, it's feed, all is fill. So we have this noise. Now we change the feed, so it's like, I don't know how to say in English. I think it's something like stretch, or we take that line and we put it in full horizontal way. So after that, we want to just detect the edge. So we detect every line, but you can see every line is, this one is like almost white. This is transparent. This is like nothing. So we want to a full white line. So for that we can put a math. And with the math, like in mathematical thing, we can put here to ceiling. Everything is white. Maybe this not, because yeah, problem with that. But we can now put a composite, put this together. And with the composite, you can see we have a better line. I'm going to put a transform. So you can see if I put one here, the line is much better. I can connect this one with this. We fix. It's like much beautiful lines. And we can put here, if you want, a blur. Because right now the lines, they are too thin. So we can put a blur. And with the blur, yeah, so immediately you can see the difference. You can manage how is the thickness of the line. Okay, cool. We have that now. So we have our lines. After that, we can continue with a few things. Let me check if everything is okay, just in case. Yeah, so we have our beautiful lines. We can work with that. I'm going to add a null, just for remember this is the line. After that, we can connect a feedback, our beautiful feedback, because we love it. And sorry, and then we need a keyboard in, or reset. No, not a keyframe. Sorry, a keyboard in. And then we connect this to the reset. And we need a simple feedback with maybe a transform, then a level. Merge everything to a composite. The composite will be maximum. The level, we need to change the opacity. We connect here, and then the feedback. And we can change a little bit the scale. So yeah, we can work with the depth of all of this. I can put maybe something like that. And for the level, we can work not too much. Like a detail, maybe 2. Yeah, something like that. So right now, with the lines, we have this weird thing. The cool thing, we have here in palette, we have, I think an image. It's the RBGA delay that you can add. I can show you. Like details of this movement. So it's important, this is too much. We can fix that with maybe 2, 4, and 6. So we can add this weird of delay, pixel delay. And obviously we can work is like not too much, half of this, something like that. Okay, and then after that we can continue adding a few details, and for that will be, for example, I'm going to use a null just in case we want to change a few things. After that, I'm going to, you have two options. I'm going to show you both. I can use a displace and connecting with the same image. You can create crazy things like this. It's like, what is that? I don't know, but I like it. And we can go with the displace and you can see what's going on. We can go to repeat, just much better. You can create these weird things. You go slow, sorry, not slow, low. You can create something like that. It's the same thing, it's the same texture, but creating a weird thing. But the other thing is we can create a noise. For the noise, again, output noise. We can maybe set up a few things, but first we're going to connect this to see what happened. With this now you can see we can create these curves. It's like, ooh, that is not what I expect, but I like it. You can go to here, it's too much, but we can play maybe 1, 2, something like that. And maybe, yeah, you can check everything. But maybe, yeah, maybe I want to create these specific things. And the cool thing, I can put maybe simply 4D and I can animate this. So again, ABS time, that's seconds, multiply 0.1. Yeah, and after that, we can go to here. We have tile. With tile, we have a lot of options, but I prefer go to here, tile, reflect, and flip and Y. So we create this weird thing, and we change the crops to 0.5, 0.5. So we create this start from the center. And yeah, I like it. And after that, we can connect here the final touch, a level. And with a level, we can create a constant, maybe change the brightness, the gamma, yeah, a little bit, maybe something like that. And we have this weird thing. I'm going to put colors just for effects. And another thing that you can try is, and you have lens, I think it's named lens distortion. This is just for final detail that you can create like weird thing like that. Oh, you can try, it's like, oh, I like this. Maybe this is too much. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. And again, I'm going to just save this. We can go return and play with the three hole and see what happened. And again, we can play with the blur. We maybe want more pixel or less, just lines. We can change the rows and columns. It's like less lines or more details. I like this one. And we can again check with the other effect with the displace. I like it too, or just the noise. Or if you don't like this too much, these lines, you can change this and see what happened. You can create weird things. But I prefer maybe, yeah, and change the speed to move faster. So yeah, that is the visual. Something not complicated, it's just noise, and we use a two-time displace here. I'm going to put in yellow display here, and then when you have it displayed again, in the final we put a few deform. I think we can deform the image with the tile and the lens distortion. Yeah. What else? If you want, you can add a few things, maybe blur or other effects. But yeah, I hope you like it. And if you have any question, just send me a message on Instagram, Patreon, YouTube, whatever. And I see you like it, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Hi, it's me again, me in the future. I forgot something important. It's another distortion operator that we can use. This is mirror. With mirror, I'm going to disable tile, and we can here rotate 45 degrees, so we can have this weird line. And in the displace, I just connect the same image, so we have this weird effect. We can enable the tile. So yeah, we have weird things. We can, yeah, you can figure it out what you like. For me, it's 45, and change the distortion. Yeah, you have a lot of options here to see weird thing happen and try to figure it out. Yeah, I'm going to put again color here. So yeah, now we have tile, the level now, but we can put that in the end. Yeah, I'm going just for, I like this color too, but I prefer, sorry, the contrast here, much better. So this 3 distortion level, just, yeah, no color. So yeah, much better. So yes, this is the final end. So bye.